Welcome! In this video tutorial, we're going to go through how to convert Excel to Google Sheets in a quick and easy way. Ready to start? Hello, and welcome to EasyClick Academy. My name's Maria, and together with our EasyClick team, we're here to make sure you'll be able to use Excel in a quick and easy way thanks to our digestible video tutorials. To convert an Excel file to a Google Sheets document, open your Google Drive first. Then find the button New in the upper left corner and choose Google Sheets. A new Google Sheets document opens, so go to File, select Import, and you'll see a window with several options to import a file. The Excel file can be imported directly from your drive, shared documents, recent documents, or you can simply upload it from your computer. We'll go for the option Upload, where we can directly drag and drop the file we want to import or browse the computer using this blue button. So we'll click on the blue button now, select the file from the computer, and click on Open. Google Sheets now offers three options for the file import. Since we opened a new, empty Google Sheets document just a while ago, we can simply go for Replace Spreadsheet. This option is the most convenient in this case. Now click on Import Data, and that's it. The data now shows in the Google Sheets document, and as you can see, the feature Filter is still there, so it's been transferred from the Excel file automatically. It's important to remember the following couple of things though. Some features and settings can change with the conversion. Excel is more advanced than Google Sheets in terms of formatting spreadsheets, so it offers more options which might not work in the latter. Also, bear in mind that macros don't work in tables imported from Excel to Google Sheets, and some functions supported by Excel but not yet supported by Google Sheets might get lost in the conversion. Nevertheless, the data will always appear as in the original Excel file, so you can definitely rely on that. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and watch other video tutorials by EasyClick Academy. Learn how to use Excel in a quick and easy way. Is this your first time on EasyClick? We'll be more than happy to welcome you in our online community. Hit that subscribe button and join the Easy Clickers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.